This is going to be build number 10. It's going to be a Northern Tool Trader. You'll see where the paint came. It came from the factory scratched up, but I couldn't believe the fender's in really good shape. It's not a big deal. It's going to be an outside toy anyway. It's all put together. Got the wires running because, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to run the wires to lights out here or run them up and come out the back of the camper. Now, here's my both of my sides. I'm laying butterfly kind of like together, and I gotta keep them covered up because the big Maui is still in the garage eating up all the space. This will be the front, and the back is going to be just more kind of rounded. You can see it's a maple wood. You look at the scratches I got free from, these come free from Home Depot. But I already impregnated this with epoxy. I'll sand it down and clean it up real good. And it's rolling on a dolly so that I can move it around as I build. This is going to be a fun build, as they all are. And as long as the weather holds up, I can do it out here. But if it gets really nasty, then I'll push the big Maui out of the garage and finish it up in the garage. I'll see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much.